everybody, this is Larry Rogers with a message. I would like to give a big shout out to the 2 employees who saved this woman's life from a violent man with a gun. Things could have went way left and a lot of people could have got hurt. These 2 brave dudes stepped in to wrestle a man down with a gun. So, salute to the 2 heroes. Y'all stay blessed.